Hey everyone, it's Deborah, and it is Wednesday, and I want to show you what I've been working on. I am in a gingerbread man woman swap on my Facebook group Daisy Deb Crafts, and feel free to join if you would like. I'll try to put the link in the comments section. I'll try to pin that for you. But anyway, I want to show you some of the supplies I have for this swap that I am using. So I did buy the Gingerbread Catherine Pooler ink pad from scrapbook.com. And then I did get the shape dies, the nested stitched gingerbread people shape dies from scrapbook.com. And this came in a set. It's actually for a Christy Marcotte class in September that I signed up for. And this is the paper. This paper is so cute. It has the cut-aparts. I think 5 pages of the cut-aparts, which are super cute. I am going to cut these up and give them as part of the swap so they can make whatever they want. But here I'm going to do a quick flip through of the paper. It's double-sided so you can see the other side, but look how cute that is. And then look at the back of it. It's Christmas tree. And it's super cute. I'll flip it over so you can see the back. I'll just go through this real quick. Look how cute. Little marshmallows and the snowman. Cute. Polka dots. Love the polka dots. And then these on a green background. And I believe... Oh, and the Happy Holidays. Okay. And then we'll just go through the back side. So that green, that's the back side of the Happy Holidays. That solid green. And this present is the back side of the snowman. We'll just go through it real quick. And that's the back side of the polka dots. The back side of the snowman and marshmallow. This is the back side of the Ho Ho Ho. Nice that they give you some solid colors in there. This is cute. The back side of this gingerbread and the heart. I love that gingerbread type Christmas tree. And then that is the back side of the brown gingerbread page. And that's the back side of the cut-aparts. And that's it. Okay, and so I'm using that, and then the holographic and my pastel glossy paper from scrapbook.com. Got a lot of scrapbook.com stuff in this one. Okay, so let me show you what I have made so far. Let me get that out of the way. And I am using some other dies. So... this is, let me get it out of the paper out of the way. These little bitty gingerbread men, I'm packaging those up, and they are actually from a kscraft die, which is this one right here, which is the kscraft Christmas truck add-on. And it has this cute little gingerbread man in there, and he is just so stinking cute. Look at him. Let me show you. His little face. He's just so cute. So I am cutting out a bunch of those to give, and they can decorate however, whatever way they want to. But I'm going to package them up 10 a piece. But look how cute he is with that little face. It's just so stinking cute. So that is the kscraft Christmas truck add-on. It went with the kscraft Easter Bunny truck. Okay, so let me go ahead and get that one out of the way. But I think those are so cute, and they're packaged with that gingerbread paper. I just did the topper, but I think they're going to be cute. I'm going to add something across here. Maybe some pom-pom trim. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. Okay, so that was the first thing that I've made so far. I still have 6 more of those to do, or 5 more of those to do. Okay, so I did buy some other gingerbread houses, kscraft Christmas gingerbread house. I have not made those yet, but I will make them and I'll show them to you. And this one's the kscraft gingerbread house shaker, and it has a little heart window type for the shaker, and I'm going to make that as soon as I can. I just haven't had time. It's been a busy week. Okay, so that first gingerbread die, the nested gingerbread die that I showed you with, you know, all the different sizes of the gingerbread, this is what I've made so far. So I've made the girl, pretty much finished with her. I needed to make 6 of them. And this is what I did, just kept them pretty simple. And this is going to be part of, I think I'm going to put something in the middle of the bow. I haven't decided what yet, but I think they're pretty cute. And I did them on 110-pound paper, cardstock, so just kind of, you know. But anyway, I used that paper, that gingerbread paper, and then here's the boy. I haven't finished with him. I just need to cut out his face and the icing. And I haven't decided what color I'm going to do. And then I'm also going to add a little pom-pom to the hat right over here. I'm going to put a pom-pom there to finish off the hat. And so I may, you know, I may dress them up a little bit more. Like I may do a little bitty flower. I have a flower die. I think it is, I can't remember, but I have a flower die that's really small, and I might put that in the middle. It just depends on what I decide. I haven't gotten there yet. So that's all I've done on the gingerbread swap so far. Not much, and I have a long way to go because I don't even know what I'm making. Anyway, you guys take care, and I will talk to you soon. All right, bye. Oh, Friday. I'll see you on Friday. Oh, by the way, we did hit 700 subscribers, so I will be posting a video. I haven't decided everything on that video yet, but I will post a video with 700 subscriber giveaway. So stay tuned for that. Okay. All right, bye.